All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we're bringing you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for a BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency internet computer. This token is down 18% right this second. This could be a great discount buy in the dip. A lot of good stuff going on with internet computer. It's in the top 100, so we're going to go over that. Internet computer just hit its 300 million block generated. Pretty big thing on the Twitter. We're going to cover that. Bitcoin has been mined out 90%. 90% of Bitcoin has been mined. There's only 10% left. We're going to find out, is this still a good opportunity for people to get into Bitcoin to mine or not? Bitcoin's not going anywhere, but 90% of the coin has been mined out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. That's right. So with that, Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at noon. We changed our times from 1 o'clock till noon. So every single day, Monday through Friday, a video at 12 o'clock noon. And our bonus videos will be around 6:30, 7 o'clock, Monday through Friday. Today is a bonus video. So with that, let's head over to Internet Computer. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Internet Computer is the 36th number one cryptocurrency on the planet, number 36. It's trading at $24.47. This token is down 18% in the last 7 days. 18%. Discount buys, buying the dip. This could be it. I know this token was at $32, $34 just 7 days ago. It's at $24. We'll come back and do our price prediction a little bit later. It's down 3.5% in the last 24 hours. Again, right here over to the right, down 3.7%, trading at $24.42. Kind of take a look in the last 7 days. 7 days ago, this coin was all the way at $33, $31, $30. Token has dropped literally down to $24. It's been kind of going down for the last few days, so it's on a downward spiral. Could be a good time to buy the dip. So here's the big announcement. Internet Computer, 300 million blocks. Take a look at this. 300 million blocks by Internet Computer. It says the Internet Computer has surpassed 300 M block generation. The block count metric speaks to both the speed and the capacity of Internet Computer. So you can find out more stats right here. But that's some fantastic news. Internet Computer, 300 million blocks. Over here to the website, Internet Computer says blockchain singularity foundation, a major contributor of Internet Computer. So here we go. We're going to do some stats on Internet Computer. Internet Computer ecosystem. The Internet Computer blockchain only recently launched, but developers and entrepreneurial activity is exploring. And so the active users of their emerging dApps and services, check out these examples. So we got Fleek right here. Fleek brings decentralized web hosting to Internet Computer. With thousands of web pages deployed, Fleek enables anyone to deploy their content on Web 3.0. Discover, DSCVAR, is a decentralized version of Reddit, where users are owners, decentralized end-to-end, built on the Internet Computer, and accessible from any browser. Try it yourself. DistroKit, to completely decentralized, community-owned, professional network. Users of the platform will vote on upgrades, and no user data will ever be mined or sold. Create your account securely by the Internet Identity today. Right here is a couple of the different companies that Internet Computer works with. You can see them all right here, moving to the right and moving to the left. I mean, all kinds of good stuff going on with Internet Computer. So give us your thoughts so far. Do you own some Internet Computer? Have you bought it? Is it on your radar? Is this the first time you're hearing about it? It is the 35th cryptocurrency on the planet, so you do want to have your certain cryptocurrencies on your radar. Down 18%, buying the dip could be a move right this second. Well, what about Bitcoin? Bitcoin has been mined. 90% of the Bitcoin has been mined. There's only 10% left. Should we be worried? All right, Bitcoin is about 90% mined out. About 18.89 million Bitcoins out of the 21 million have been mined, are now available to be bought and sold. Bitcoin crossed an important milestone on Monday with 90% of the cryptocurrency being mined by blockchain.com. About 18 million Bitcoins out of the 21 million have been mined. It took 12 years to get the world's largest cryptocurrency to this point. However, it's going to take exponentially longer for the remaining supplies to be mined due to the Bitcoin halving schedules. The halving schedules is an inflation-controlled device where the rewards of mining Bitcoin is cut in half. So how long is it going to take? So it says right here, Bitcoin halving occurs on an average of every 4 years. At this rate, Bitcoin isn't expected to be fully mined until the year 2140. 2140. That's quite a long time, everybody. 2140. February of 2140. Okay. Bitcoin blockchain relies on proof of work model where miners solve complex mathematical equations. The transactions on the blockchains. Those miners are rewarded with Bitcoin. It says right here, Bitcoin prices have driven in the last week, falling 6% over the past 5 days and over 26% over the month. So give us your thoughts. There's 10% left of Bitcoin mining. So if you want to get into mining some Bitcoin, you got more than enough time. 90% of the coin has been mined. There's 10% left. Doesn't seem like it's going to be running out anytime soon. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel, again, is to help everybody know about cryptocurrency, one day even buy some cryptocurrency. Hey, head over to BlockFi credit card, because if you get a BlockFi credit card and you use it, all your rewards are back in Bitcoin. So you can actually, if you don't want to buy cryptocurrency and you're just checking it out, you can swipe your card at Chipotle's or whatever, and then when you get your rewards back, you get it back in Bitcoin. Good way to get cryptocurrency without having to actually buy it. You are buying your different Chipotle's and your gasoline, but the rewards are in Bitcoin. Pretty cool stuff. Back over here at Internet Computer, how it works, explore the open source, innovative for developers, quick start building on Internet Computer today, developers grants, get a grant to build your Internet Computer project, development formals, get answers to hard technical questions, free cycle, get free cycles to power your dApps, GitHub, get some codes to get started. Start coding on the Internet Computer. All right, back over here on Coin Market Cap. Coin is being traded at $24.56. Just wanted to show everybody in the last month, this token was traded at $47.96. It was $11.15. The price was $47. $42, $41, $40, $40. Now it's at $24. So what are the price predictions? Right here, Internet Computer, $24.50. I think that this coin could get back up to $40 by the end of the first quarter. You just saw it in the last month. All our information is for educational purposes only. Everything is down right this second. You see it on all the different cryptocurrencies. This token was at $40, $42 just a month ago. I think it could easily get back to $35, $40. It's just going to take a little bit of time. Again, when you put your money in, you may want it to sit there for a little bit. All our information is for educational purposes only. Everything around Internet Computer, down 11%. Ethereum Classic. The Sandbox is down 14%. H-Bar is down 17%. I mean, just a lot of different. Elron is down 16%. So right here, Internet Computer down 17%. All right, this is the first time talking about Internet Computer. Do you own some? Do you want to get some? Buying the dip could be a good time right now. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, noon. Our second video is around 6:30, 7 o'clock for bonus videos. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. Hey, everybody, it's Tuesday night. Have a fantastic night.